Hello and welcome to the session. Research for Strategic Development, LO2 Research Philosophy. Embarking on a research journey requires a clear understanding of research philosophy. This video delves into the significance of research philosophy in strategic development. Discover how different philosophies shape research methods and outcomes. Understanding the nature of unfeasible objectives is crucial. Avoiding the trap of Narcissus is key, where titles are produced but lack substance. The trap of Hercules involves proposing studies that are too large. Cerberus's trap highlights research so sensitive that no organization collaborates. Recognizing these traps aids in strategic planning. Understanding research philosophy is vital for effective research. It influences the choice of research methods. Different research philosophies offer varied perspectives. The right philosophy ensures meaningful outcomes. It's essential for aligning research with strategic goals. The research onion is a conceptual model. It helps in understanding the layers of research philosophy. Starting with a review of available methods is crucial. A clear statement of the adopted philosophy is necessary. This guides the research process effectively. Choosing the right philosophy isn't about guessing. Mapping the ontological status of research objectives is key. A strong philosophical statement in your research chapter is essential. It impacts the choice of research methods. Without it, the research may lack depth. 3 main views on research philosophy are prevalent. Positivism, interpretivism, and realism each offer unique insights. Positivism focuses on observable realities. Interpretivism embraces the complexity of social processes. Realism acknowledges both objective and socially constructed realities. Positivism assumes the researcher is independent. Data are considered value-free. It emphasizes structured methodologies. This facilitates replication and statistical analysis. Positivism is based on verifiable experiments and observations. Interpretivism uses qualitative methods like interviews. It relies on both researcher and subject as instruments. This approach is adopted in complex business environments. It provides richer insights into social processes. Interpretivism values the subjective meanings of human experiences. Interpretivism may be better for context-specific situations. It challenges the generalizability of findings. Internal validity is prioritized over generalizability. The dynamic nature of business affects research outcomes. Unique business contexts limit the scope of generalizations. Realism acknowledges an independent reality. It shares aspects with positivism and social constructionism. Realism recognizes socially constructed realities. It seeks to understand broader social forces. This approach balances objective and subjective elements. Ontology explores the nature of being. It reflects the researcher's view of reality. Positivism sees reality as external and objective. Realism acknowledges independent existence and social conditioning. Interpretivism views reality as socially constructed and subjective. Epistemology studies the nature and limits of knowledge. It defines what constitutes acceptable knowledge. Positivism focuses on observable phenomena. Realism considers context within context. Interpretivism emphasizes subjective meanings and social phenomena. Axiology examines judgments about value. It explores the role of values in research. Positivism maintains a value-free approach. Realism acknowledges value-laden research. Interpretivism sees research as value-bound and subjective. There is no single best philosophy. Each is suited for different research aspects. Management research often requires a mixed approach. It's crucial to justify your choice. A clear research approach enhances study validity. A mixed approach doesn't mean adopting all philosophies. You must choose one and justify it. Combining elements enhances research flexibility. It's crucial for addressing complex research questions. A clear choice guides the research process. Deduction involves testing a hypothesis from literature understanding. Induction gathers data and seeks theoretical linkages. Both have their merits in research. A combined approach may often be necessary. It's important to understand both methods. Deduction requires control over variables. It implies a structured methodology. Replication is a key feature of deduction. It's often challenging to maintain control. A mixed approach may be more suitable. Induction formulates theories from gathered data. It's useful when literature understanding is limited. It allows for flexible data collection. However, it may not always suit time constraints. A combined approach can address these challenges. Further readings can deepen your understanding. Johnson and Onwegbuzi discuss mixed methods. Krauss explores research paradigms. Mackenzie and Knipe address research dilemmas. Saunders provides comprehensive insights into research methods. Identify the research philosophy for your topic. Justify why this philosophy is chosen. This task enhances your research alignment. It ensures clarity and focus in your study. A well-chosen philosophy strengthens your research foundation. In conclusion, understanding research philosophy is essential for guiding the approach to research for strategic development. Research philosophy influences how data is collected, analyzed, and interpreted, shaping the overall research design and methodology. By understanding different philosophical perspectives, researchers can select approaches that best align with their research objectives and organizational context. This understanding supports rigorous research and strengthens the credibility of findings used for strategic decision-making. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843611688.